The judge, Merchan, who is supervising the Stormy Daniels case against Trump, has set a trap for Trump that I think could result in his imprisonment. Merchan's daughter is a Democratic partisan who makes a nice living representing Democrats in political campaigns and represents Adam Schiff and a host of other Democratic politicians, and reportedly has been paid close to $100,000 for services to them. Today's lunch alert is sponsored by the Patriot Gold Group. This is only the start of gold's move higher this year. Central bankers and investors are looking for alternatives to the dollar. Our national debt is growing by $1 trillion every 100 days. Yet her father is the judge in the case against Trump for his payments to Stormy Daniels. And that is such a conflict, such an unbelievable conflict. She literally is making money every day off Trump's trial. And if he's found guilty, she'll make more money. And there's every reason for Merchan to accuse himself, except he won't because he's a Democratic hack and partisan. And it was assigned to the case probably because of that. So given the circumstances that are going on now with his daughter in this trial, Trump has got to speak out and tell people what's going on. But then Merchan imposed a gag order saying that Trump can't talk about him or about the prosecution or about other stuff, but also about members of his family, which seemed like just a protection against a low blow. But in fact, it was immunizing his daughter against the criticism she justifiably really deserves. Now, if Trump criticizes her and points out how this biases the trial against him, he's violating the gag order and he's subject to imprisonment. And I think this is all a trap to try to snare Trump to ultimately put him in jail. I think it'll backfire. I think it won't work, but it's there and I think it's happening. Today's lunch alert is sponsored by the Patriot Gold Group. This is only the start of gold's move higher this year. Central bankers and investors are looking for alternatives to the dollar. Our national debt is growing by $1 trillion every 100 days. Lower interest rates and higher inflation will ignite an even sharper increase in gold. Goldman Sachs said gold's record month of March is likely to continue. So call the Patriot Gold Group.
Now, the Patriot Gold Group offers no fee for life IRAs to viewers of these videos, and that extended that offer and lowered the minimum required to get in. So call the Patriot Gold Group and ask about the no fee for life IRA. Stay well.